For nearly 100 years, Wagner has provided cooling, heating, plumbing, drain, and electric services to the Albuquerque area, and our experts are prepared to help keep you comfortable through any kind of weather. Right now, we're offering up to $2,200 off a new Carrier system with payments as low as $109 a month, or take advantage of 0% interest financing for up to 36 months. Our high-efficiency systems will keep money in your pocket with savings on heating and cooling bills up to 50%. Wagner can take care of all your drain needs, too. Turn to the experts.